An automatic litter box genuinely changes your life as a cat owner. No more daily scooping, less odor, and a consistently clean box your cat will love. In 2026, they're smarter, quieter, and more capable than ever. Whatever your budget and cat, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily. We test the products that actually matter for your everyday life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content drops every week and your cat will thank you for sticking around. The teweoa self-cleaning cat litter box is the genuine best value pick, delivering capable automatic scooping and smart features at a genuinely accessible price. For anyone who wants a genuine, capable self-cleaning box without a premium price, the teweoa delivers real hands-off convenience at a friendly cost, ideal for first-time buyers and budget-conscious cat owners. The standout is the genuine automatic self-cleaning at a value price, which senses when your cat leaves and automatically sifts and separates waste into a sealed compartment, so you genuinely never scoop daily again, a real advantage for less money. The generous capacity suits genuine multi-day use before emptying, and the sealed waste drawer genuinely locks away odor. The app connectivity often lets you monitor usage and control it from your phone, and the safety sensors genuinely protect your cat. The quiet operation won't scare cats, and the easy, clean design saves time. For budget-conscious owners who want a genuine, capable, smart self-cleaning litter box at the best value, the teweoa is the most value-forward, most accessible pick on this entire list. The teweoa self-cleaning litter box delivers capable automatic scooping and smart features at a genuinely accessible price. And the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Hands-off cleaning, honest price. The Whisker Litter Robot 4 is the genuine premium flagship pick, the gold standard automatic litter box renowned for its performance, reliability, and smart features. The standout is the genuine best-in-class automated sifting system, which uses a patented rotating globe design to gently, quietly, and thoroughly sift waste after every use, delivering a genuinely always clean bed of fresh litter and superb odor control, a real advantage that owners consistently rave about. The excellent app connectivity genuinely lets you monitor your cat's habits, waste levels, and health insights, and control everything from your phone, a real premium feature. The large entry and spacious interior suit genuinely cats of many sizes, and the accurate sensors and safety features genuinely protect your cat. The superb odor control with a sealed waste drawer keeps your home genuinely fresh, and the quiet, reliable operation and premium build reflect Whisker's reputation. For anyone who wants the genuine best, most reliable premium flagship automatic litter box with top performance and smart insights, the Litter Robot 4 is the most premium, most gold standard pick on this entire list. The Whisker Litter Robot 4 is the gold standard premium automatic litter box with top performance and smart insights, and the price in the description reflects that flagship quality. Check the link below and grab it today. The gold standard, genuinely. The CatGenie AI is the genuine no litter, washable pick, a genuinely unique box that flushes waste and washes itself, eliminating litter entirely. The standout is the genuine litter-free self-washing design, which uses reusable washable granules and actually flushes liquid and solid waste away, like a toilet, then washes and dries the granules, so you genuinely never buy, scoop, or refill litter again, a real advantage that no traditional automatic box can match. Connected to a water line and drain, it genuinely handles waste completely hands-free and hygienically, and the AI smarts optimize cleaning cycles based on use. The genuinely eliminated litter means no more litter dust, tracking, or hauling heavy bags, a real long-term convenience and cleanliness win. The self-washing granules genuinely stay fresh, and the operation is hands-off once plumbed in. CatGenie's unique reputation backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine litter-free self-washing, flushing litter box that eliminates litter forever, the CatGenie AI is the most litter-free, most unique pick on this entire list. The CatGenie AI flushes waste and washes itself so you never buy or scoop litter again. And the price in the description reflects that unique capability. Check the link below and grab it today. Never buy litter again. The PetSafe ScoopFree SmartSpin is the genuine low-maintenance crystal litter pick, delivering excellent odor control and genuinely minimal upkeep using PetSafe's crystal litter system. The standout is the genuine crystal litter technology, which uses highly absorbent crystals that genuinely trap odor and dehydrate solid waste far better than clay, delivering superb, long-lasting odor control and genuinely less frequent maintenance, a real advantage for a consistently fresh box. The SmartSpin automatic raking senses when your cat leaves and gently rotates to sift waste into a covered trap, so you genuinely never scoop. And the covered waste compartment locks away odor genuinely well. The app connectivity lets you monitor usage and get alerts from your phone. And the low dust crystals genuinely reduce tracking. The simple, reliable operation and easy swap trays make upkeep genuinely minimal. And the quiet cycle won't startle cats. PetSafe's reputation for pet products backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, superb odor control and minimal maintenance with a crystal litter system, the PetSafe ScoopFree SmartSpin is the most odor-controlling, most low-maintenance pick on this entire list. The PetSafe ScoopFree SmartSpin delivers superb odor control and minimal upkeep with crystal litter. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Superb odor control, minimal fuss. Closing out the list with the CATLINK Luxury Pro X, the genuine feature-packed luxury pick, loaded with advanced smart tech, health monitoring, and premium touches for the ultimate hands-off experience. The standout is the genuine wealth of premium smart features, often including advanced app control, detailed cat health and weight monitoring, multi-cat recognition, and self-cleaning odor removal systems, delivering a genuinely comprehensive, high-tech litter solution. A real advantage for tech-loving owners who want it all. The reliable automatic sifting senses when your cat leaves and thoroughly separates waste into a large sealed compartment, so you genuinely never scoop. And the superb multi-stage odor control with deodorizing keeps your home genuinely fresh. The spacious interior suits genuinely larger cats and multi-cat homes, and the accurate safety sensors genuinely protect your cats. The premium build and quiet operation feel genuinely luxurious, and the health tracking genuinely watches your cat's well-being. For owners who want a genuine luxury, feature-packed high-tech litter box with health monitoring, the CATLINK Luxury Pro X is the most feature-rich, most luxury pick on this entire list. The CATLINK Luxury Pro X packs advanced smart tech, health monitoring, and premium odor control into a luxury box, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. The ultimate luxury litter box. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right automatic litter box, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right automatic litter box, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.